Yeah, hello guys. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to overcome Microsoft Excel errors, and I'm going to show you some of them. So far, basically the most common ones are 7, so I'm going to pass you through each and how to overcome it. So why don't we get started? I'm going to open my Excel. So the very first error is the ## error. So when you find this ## error, it means that the values you have entered into the column is not enough for them. So when the column is too small, it will display such an error called the ## error. So to overcome it, you need to increase the column. So that's how we overcome the ## error. So another error is the #name error. So this one, let me write a formula here. I want the sum of this and this. Let's see, when I say equals B2 minus C2, when I press 0, it will give me that. So when I move down, it will give me the answers. Now these empty cells, they are giving me this because there is nothing. So when I try to put any word, missing, it will give me the #value error. So when you see this #value error, it means you have subtracted a word with a number. So Excel will see it as #value error. So when we go to the next error, is the #name formula. The #name formula. The other one was we began with the ###, and then the next one was the #value, then we are on the #name. So this one appears only when you have inserted the wrong formula. So let's say I'm going to put a wrong formula. Let me say unique. You can see when you put a wrong formula, it will give you that. When I try to drag that, there is no formula in Excel which is called alt. So to overcome it, you have to insert the correct formula. So when I try to go to the next error, so I'm going to go to the ref error. So I'm going to press on some of this, and this, and I press enter, and I drag this. After I delete this, So I'm going to use that. When I press enter, my values will come. When I drag down, my values will also come. So when I come to this and delete it, so in simple terms, those are the most common errors. So there is another error called div 0 error and NA error, but those ones you will find them in most cases when you are using VLOOKUP. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.